Hi everybody, it's Stephen Aitchison here from CYT-Crypto. Just wanted to make a quick video on why I think Cake is going to $100 by probably Q1 2022, if not sooner. It could be by the end of the year, but I'm going to say conservatively by the end of Q1 2022. Now, I want to give you a kind of few updates on what's happening with PancakeSwap and why I think it's going to go to $100. But I want to also give you some kind of additional information as well that not a lot of people know. So we're going to jump in and we're going to look at PancakeSwap just now. And this is on CoinGecko. We can see it's $19.29, circulating supply of 223 million tokens. This changes on a daily basis. It's not updated necessarily on CoinGecko, but it changes on a daily basis because not a lot of people know that PancakeSwap is actually inflationary. You can see here the total supply has got an infinite total supply just now. And you'll also see that on another well-known token as well, or another project, Ethereum. Ethereum also has an infinite number of total supply. So previously, before E 2.0, it was inflationary. So it was going up, so there's more produced than was actually kind of getting used or burned or whatever, but Ethereum is it's got an infinite supply as well. But now because of ETH 2.0 and they're going to be burning, it's going to become hopefully deflationary as well. And it's the same with PancakeSwap. So what we're looking at with PancakeSwap, they do a lot of burns, so that controls the inflation rate. So I just wanted you to know that before we kind of go on, because not a lot of people know that is actually inflationary at the moment. But with all the proposals coming out, etc., I think it's going to could eventually become deflationary. But at the moment, it's inflationary just now. But I don't think this is a big deal because I want to show you something where I think PancakeSwap is going to explode. So I want to talk about these kind of layer one projects. Obviously, layer ones, we're talking about Binance Smart Chain, we're talking about Ethereum, we're talking about Polygon, we're talking about Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos, Solana. All these are layer one protocols. Now, a lot of people think there's only going to be one protocol that's going to be the winner out of all of them. It's not going to be that way. It's going to be a case of people are going to use certain chains for certain things. So right now, Ethereum is getting used for DeFi, is getting used for NFTs, it's getting used for everything just now, basically. What I think is going to happen in the future, you're going to get much cheaper chains, whereby the gas fees are going to be much cheaper. They're going to be used for the likes of NFT. Then they're going to be used for, could be social tokens or something like that on another chain. So you're going to get chains that are used or going to be known for specific things. And I think the Binance Smart Chain could become the new chain that NFTs are going to be coming across. Now, Polygon is getting a lot of attention for NFTs as well. So it could be that Polygon will do that as well, in which case Polygon is going to go higher. But I think what's happening with PancakeSwap, because they're going to be bringing out a new marketplace, an NFT marketplace, I think this is going to be the start of something major for PancakeSwap and for the Binance Smart Chain as well. So they kind of go hand in hand. So I think the price of BNB is going to go to $1,000 anyway, but I think the price of Cake is going to go up even more than it is just now, $19 just now, and I do believe it's going to go to $100, and we'll look at the charts as well. And it's because I think when the NFT Marketplace comes out at the end of September, 30th of September, has been changed from the 22nd, which is today, to the 30th, which I think is a good thing, is going to be the marketplace that a lot of people are going to go on because it's going to be much cheaper, much cheaper to do transactions on. You're talking 10 cents to kind of mint an NFT or to do a transaction on the Binance Smart Chain as well. Ethereum, yesterday I was looking at transaction fees of $147, and that's just not going to work for the NFT market space unless you get a layer 2 that's really going to kind of work for NFTs. And I think Vitalik Buterin has kind of proposed that as well, but there's nothing in the works at the moment. So I really believe that Binance Smart Chain could take over the NFT marketplace, or at least get a gigantic share. And I want to show you something just now. So on OpenSea, just now, we can see the volume traded of NFTs per day is $57 million. $57 million per day transacted for NFTs. And this isn't a down market, it's much higher when we're kind of bullish, in a bullish market. We're in a correction phase just now. Over 7 days, 491 million. Over the last 30 days, $3.3 billion worth has been transacted on OpenSea. Most of that being in Ethereum. Which is absolutely crazy. Now, if you think about the amount of transaction fees that's taken, Ethereum, it must be in the millions for the transaction fees. But if you introduce a chain that the transaction fees are going to be much smaller, imagine how many people are going to migrate over to the Binance Smart Chain to buy their NFTs. I'm talking about the newer tokens that are coming out, the newer NFT drops that are coming out. I'm talking about those ones. A lot of them are going to be going onto the Binance Smart Chain, and therefore they're going to be using the PancakeSwap NFT Marketplace. I believe that's going to be one of the biggest within the next 6 months, and it's going to happen very rapidly, I think. So they're going to take away a lot of this 3.3 billion per month volume that OpenSea has got just now. I did think OpenSea would introduce the Binance Smart Chain, but that's not happened yet. They've obviously got Polygon just now, but it's not happened as yet. So imagine just even a fraction of that. If they take 10% of that, $300 million per month that PancakeSwap could see on the NFT marketplace when it comes out at the end of September. I'm not saying it's going to happen overnight, but this is just a potential that it's got, because a lot of people are getting really, really annoyed with the Ethereum fees or the gas fees just now, and they're just not kind of willing to engage with it. And they're just, on principle, they're just saying, okay, I'm not paying $150 for the gas fee. I'm just not doing it. I was going to do a transaction last night and it was $150. I refused to do it. Instead, I waited till a quieter time when it was only $30, and I've done it this morning. But I think that's why it's going to take a lot of the NFT marketplace. So that's PancakeSwap. It's going to be coming out on the 30th of September. It's got an update here. NFT Marketplace target is September the 30th. The Pancake Squad collection target is October the 7th, and we'll talk about that in a second as well. So just quickly look at this article. So the NFT Marketplace was meant to come out on the 22nd of September, i.e. today. I had a target date of that, but the updated schedule, as I said, 30th of September. And the reason they've done that is they explain it here very well. They're very open with their community as well. So they haven't hit any significant roadblocks, which is a good thing. But they just want to make sure everything was okay with the NFT marketplace. And that's what they're really doing. They want the devs to kind of test it, really stress test it and everything else. So there's going to be 2 initial phases. Phase 1, buy and sell approved PancakeSwap collectibles. That's Pancake Bunnies and Pancake Squad. And phase 2 is going to be buy and sell other collections coming soon after phase 1. So other people will now be able to mint their NFT collections on there, and there'll be a buy and sell, just like OpenSea is just now. So as I said, it's not going to happen overnight. People are going to start to get used to it, the feel of it, and just. But I think very, very quickly it's going to be adopted as one of the major NFT marketplaces out there. Now the Pancake Squad, they're going to be coming out October the 7th. They're going to be coming out, but before that, you'll be able to kind of mint Pancake Squad, and that's 10,000 NFTs. I think this could be major as well for Cake. A lot of people are going to be buying Cake just for this, the minting of the Pancake Squad. And you can see here, they've got 10,000 coming out. It tells you in this article, which I'll put a link down to below. So they've got 3 phases. The pre-sale phase, wallets which are eligible for the pre-sale will have a few hours before the public sale, in which they can buy minting tickets in advance. And they'll share the details about the eligibility of that criteria as well. So that might be you have to have a profile set up on PancakeSwap. If you've not done that, you'll need to set up a profile. which a profile means you'll get this little bunny here. If you see in the top right hand corner there, and that is part of your profile. If you've not done that already, I'll show you in another video exactly how to do that. I shared it with my group yesterday exactly how to do that, or you can look on YouTube for that as well. So they've got the pre-sale phase and they've got the public sale phase after that. So you spend cake to buy the squad tickets, first come first served. So it is going to be an FCFS system for the public sale phase. But what you can do in order to prompt how they're going to do this eligibility, what you can do is buy some cake just now, hold it or stake it, whatever you want to do. I'm staking cake. But you can also kind of open a couple of wallets as well and put some cake in a couple of your wallets if you want to do that, and set up your profile on a couple of wallets that you do as well, which means you have to spend 1.5 cake to set up your profile to do that. And then there's a claim phase. Shortly after all 10,000 squad tickets have been bought, we move to the claim phase. Ticket holders can redeem them for free to receive a randomly assigned NFT. So you don't know if they're going to be rare, collectible, ultra rare, or what they're going to be. It's just going to be random. So you'll be able to get yours as well. As I said, set up your PancakeSwap profile first. I would imagine that'll be at least one of the criteria to be eligible for this. I would imagine having some cake in there as well, and it might be people who've held cake longer will get it, or people who are staking it might get in the pre-sale phase. So that'll come out later on. So that's what's happening with the NFT marketplace, and this is why I think this is going to be much bigger than people actually think, because the NFT marketplace is so big, $3 billion per month, and I think PancakeSwap could take a lot of that market as well. So what you've got with cake as well, it's not just because of the NFT marketplace and the Pancake Squad coming out next month as well. You've got staking in the Syrup Pros as well. You're currently getting about 97% staking. What was it just now? Sorry, 81, nearly 82% staking per year, which is safe, which is a safe bet. So if you're putting, I don't know, $10,000 in there, and you're getting 81% per year, over a year, you're going to get another $10,000 worth back. Of course, the thing about doing that is the price of cake could go down, but it also could go up as well, and expected to go up as well. So this is, I think, is a brilliant time to buy some cake and to stake it for that 82% per year. You're never going to get that in a bank, anywhere else like that outside of the crypto industry. Obviously, you could farm it as well, but I would stake it and look at auto caking as well, instead of the manual cake, which is 60% APR, but which will probably work out to about 82% APY. But I would do the auto cake. There's a small fee for that. To do that, I think it's 2% or something for managing that. Not that much, to be honest. So I would definitely do the auto cake, so you don't have to worry about manual staking. So that's kind of going in every single day and taking your rewards and staking them again. So that's the manual cake, but you've got auto cake as well, where you can auto stake it, which I think is the best way. So at the moment, they've got 106 million cake tokens in there. There's been staked 106 million. So that is about, I think, is about $2 billion worth just in the staking alone of the auto cake. And they've got in the manual staking, they've got 66 million cake tokens, 66 million there, which is about 660 million. It's about 1.2 billion, just in quick maths in my head. And you've got that going all the way down for other tokens as well. So they've got about 9 billion total value locked in their kind of system just now, in the PancakeSwap system. So it's huge. It's absolutely massive just now. And at the moment, we're only on a $4 billion market cap for PancakeSwap. I say only, I know that's big, and it's number 34 ranked, but I believe this could go to about 20 billion, 25 billion, probably more in the next bull run. But in this bull run, which we're expecting, I expect Bitcoin to go up to $100,000, $150,000 by the end of quarter one. In this bull run, I think we could get up to 20 billion to possibly more than that. So I'm expecting about $100 for PancakeSwap, and it's going to be initiated from this NFT marketplace. I think that's what's going to kick it off, and I think it's going to be extremely valuable. On top of that as well, PancakeSwap have 1 million followers on Twitter. That's a lot of social clout. So once they start advertising the NFT marketplace, they start advertising collections in there as well, it's going to quickly grow. And you're going to see how quickly this grows. I don't think a lot of people realise how quickly it can grow, but I think they've got everything in place in the background for the NFT marketplace just now. And I think because of the social media following they have out there, I think they could make it work very, very quickly. So it'll just need to be kind of scalable, obviously, and I think they've obviously worked on that before. And the other thing that I like about PancakeSwap is the proposals that they have from the community. They've got core proposals and community proposals, because they're talking about NFT staking here, and they're talking about the V3 system as well. And obviously the core proposals we've got is to add Ape NFT, syrup pool and farm as well. A lot of people voted on that. They've got votes coming out all the time about what they should do with PancakeSwap. So there's going to be more and more use cases for the Cake token. So it's the ultimate kind of utility token for this as well. And this is why I love kind of PancakeSwap so much. And it's not grown that much that quickly. I know if we kind of look at it and we go to max and see where it was this time last year, 19th of December, we're talking about 63 cents. It's now up to $19. But it's grown, it's done a 98x. $1 in, $98 out. So it's done a 98x, which is not huge. If you look at the likes of Ethereum, if you look at the likes of other ones, as well, Binance, as well, the Binance coin. But it's 56% off its all-time high. So I think at least it's going to reach its all-time high here before the end of the year, at least $43. But I honestly expect it to get closer to $50, $60, $70 by the end of the year, if all goes according to plan with Bitcoin as well. If the markets slump, obviously we're going to get a slump in PancakeSwap as well, but you're still going to be able to stake it and get your rewards back from the staking it as well. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you think Cake is going to go to $100 by the end of the year or end of Q1 next year, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that as well. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.